Yeah, I just want to show you guys this very ominous looking sky from this small pop-up thunderstorm. It's moving just off to my east, facing you towards my east right now. What looks to be maybe a developing wall cloud right here, but very small one. There is some upward movement in that. I have been seeing a lot of upward movement right in there. This storm is dying though, looks to be dying, but this is one ominous looking sky right here, especially with that right there. The storm was going crazy with lightning about 30 minutes ago. There was a lot of lightning in this storm. That right there looks like that may be some weak rotation popping up right there. There's also a lot of movement right there as well. Lots of movement in those clouds. Might just be scud, but from what it looks like it's some possible rotation right there. Looks to be breaking apart now, but just earlier it was very well defined. Right in there, some winds blowing around too. Looks like they're blowing into the storm. This might be some inflow going into that. As you can see, it's a very ominous sky right here. There's another lowering right back there with a bit of inflow. Looks to be coming into it. This camcorder's battery is dying as well, so won't be able to film this for too much longer, but it looks like something maybe he's trying to get together right here. It looks like that's something trying to lower right there. Yeah, might be looking at some weak rotation in this small cell. I am right underneath the updraft part of the storm. This is the updraft we're looking at. Some thunder for you. There was a CG lightning strike that was that I just saw over there in the distance. That's where that thunder is coming from. But this part right here just looks really interesting. I'm gonna probably let this go to about 5 minutes and I'll stop it. There's some more lightning. There's the precip core right down there. I'm facing you off towards my east. My northeast, what this is, my northeast. I'm facing you towards. Here's my east, northeast, I'm facing you towards. Now everything looks like it's breaking up now. Looks like the storm maybe starting to die. There's still some more inflow feeding in right there. But that's good. Now this battery's dying, so can't film this for too much longer. But yeah, very interesting cloud formation we had going down. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this camera. Get ready for some more storms.